Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We will keep translating these sentences. In previous video we just translated 150th sentence, and here we go. 就是 like Julie. 就是 means just, like means come, Julie means here. Just come here. 就是 like Julie. 我就是要买这个。我就是 I just, 我 means I just, 要 means want, my means want, 这个 means this, and I'm point something. So I said I want to buy this one. So 我就是要买这个。这个真不错。这个 this one 真 really. 不错 means good. 错 means bad. 不错 means not bad, means good. 就是这个真不错。This is really good. 这是我爸爸。这是 again I'm pointing at someone. 这是 this one is 我爸爸。My 爸爸 means father. My father. This is my father. 这是我爸爸。我不明白。不 means not. 明白 means understand. 我不明白这。I don't understand this. 这一招就教了2-3年。这一招 it's a kind of structure. While he starts, 教 means look for. While he is looking for, 就教了 he looked for 2-3年. 20-30 years. He looked for 20-30 years. I hope you understand. If you have any question, you can write on comment section. 不知不觉他睡觉了。这是 structure 不知不觉 means unconsciously. He slept. 这个我不知道。这个 this one 我不知道。知道 means no. I don't know this one. This one is that I don't this one which I don't know. 我也不知道。也 means also or too. I don't know too. I also don't know. 我也不知道。我不知道。I don't know. 知道了，知道了。Here means I knew or I understand. It's meaning I understand. 知道了，知道了。For example, I give you a suggestion. You should do this like that. So if you know how you act, you can say 知道了，知道了. You don't need to tell me what should I do. 不知是真是假。不知 here 不知道 I don't know. I don't know what. 是真 means real, really. 假 means fake. I don't know it is real or fake. 不知是真是假。我知道 means no, I know. 我知道。不知道 don't know. 知道了，知道了 here same, I already translated. 这您就不知道了。This one 您 you, it's a polite you. 就不知道了。This one you just don't know. You just don't know this one. 他站起来 站 means stand. 站起来 means stand up. He stand up 很快 very quickly. 走到 走 means walk. He walked to 门口 means gate. So entry means go. So here he stand up and quickly walk to the gate. 只有什么了不起？了不起 means amazing, terrific. So 只有for example, you took an examination and your score is 60, but you are so happy and you showed your paper to your father, but you are so happy. So your father is saying, what's so great with this? So 只有什么了不起？只有了不起means it's so great, but here 什么 makes the meaning negative. 只有什么了不起？What's so great with this, about this? 我睡不着，睡着 means sleep. 睡不着 means don't sleep. I don't sleep. I couldn't sleep. 起来 means wake up and stand up, or 看书. 看书 means read a book. So I couldn't sleep. So I get up and read book. 吃了茶，坐了一会，起身去了。吃茶, no, normally we use 喝茶, but 吃茶 also means drink tea. Drink tea, 坐了一会, here for a while. He was sitting for a while drinking tea. And then 起身 means get up or stand up. 去了 and he stand up and went. 一面只有起身。一面 here we can say 一面 means side, or we can say here at the same time. At the same time, he just want to 起身 stand up. He just want to stand up. 明早就起身了。明 means not 明早 means 明天 tomorrow. 早上 morning. So 明早 means tomorrow morning. 就 just 起身了 get up. And 起身also have wake up meaning. 一块钱一个. If you want to buy something, one of them is 一块钱 means 1 yuan. 日子一天天过得很快。日子 means day. 日子 also means day. Days 一天天 means every day. So here days 过 means pass. But here we use the. So after the we use adjective. So it became adverb. So how it's passed? 很快 very quickly. So days so quick, so fast pass. So quickly pass. 几个月过去了。几个 means here there is no it's not question. So 几 means here a few. A few months 过去了。过去 means past. A few months past. 一个多月过去了。一个月 means 1 month. 一个多月 means more than 1 month. 过去了 past. 多少年过去了。多少 here it's not a question. 多少 means normally means how many, how much. But G means a few. 多少 means many years 过去了 past. 几个星期过去了。这个 a few 星期 means a week. A few weeks 过去了 past. 一个月过去了 1 month past. 一年很快就过去了。1 year so quickly 很快just passed 过去了。过了6个月 past 6个月6 means 6 months past. 10多年过去了。10年 means 10 years. 10多年 more than 10 years 过去了 past. 一年过去了。一年 means 1 year, but 一年 means every year. Years past. 妈妈也走过来。妈妈mother also 走过来 means come. 过去 means go. 走 here walk. Come here by walking. So mom is also walking to here. 爸爸也跟了过来。Here if you use 跟 means follow. My father also following coming by following someone. For example, it can be my mother. If you say 你跟我走 it means follow me. 跟 here not the 我 or 过来 also you can use. Come with me, follow me. Here my father follow somebody and come. 一个星期过去了。1 week 过去了 past. 好几个月过去了。这个 a few. But if you use how 지가 means many. Many months 고치라 passed. 야부 즉 2년 지고치라. 야부 has a meaning, means otherwise or. Otherwise, this year, passed. We learned it unconsciously. 3년 3 years unconsciously passed. So I couldn't understand how quick we passed 3 years. Mama, 给你喝. Mother. Here, while saying this sentence, this kid has something to drink. For example, it can be water. While giving a glass of water to his mother, saying this sentence, 给你喝. So I'm giving you this one to drink. So 不给 means don't give. 给 means give. 喝 means drink. 好, okay. 我明天寄给你. 明天 means tomorrow. 给 give. Okay. I just give you tomorrow. 明天. Can 我笑给你看. Can means look. 笑 means laugh or smile. Here, 给 is not give meaning. It's for. Look, I am smiling for you, or while looking at you. You can say, look, I'm smiling at you. You can understand like this. 我只就去试试看. I am this 就去. I just go 试试 means try. Can means look. I just go and try to look at this. 好，我试试. How? Okay, good. 我试试. I'll try. 我也试试看. I also 试试看. I also try to look. And in next video, guys, we will start from this sentence. I hope you can learn. You are learning something from my videos. If you have any question, please write a comment section and I will reply your comments. See you guys. Take care. Bye bye.